Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening any Office application, like Word or Excel, because the app shows the version info. This is the fastest way. Once the app is open, click File in the top left. Make sure to use the app menu, not the web version, because the steps differ. If you see a blank Backstage view, wait until it finishes loading. The next actions depend on that menu appearing so you can continue without errors. After opening File, locate Account, or on older builds, Help. That's where Office lists product details. This is the central step. Once there, look under Product Information. You'll see the suite name and a brief version like Microsoft 365 or Office 2019. Make sure to read the build number beneath the name. It tells you exactly which update you have. If you need exact bits, click About to reveal full version and bitness, which helps for compatibility checks. Finally, click About to open the dialog that shows the full version string and whether Office is 32-bit or 64-bit. You need that for installs and support. Once done, if the version is outdated, choose Update Options and select Update Now, then restart the app. That often resolves discrepancies. If the account page is missing, try repairing Office via Control Panel or running a quick online repair. That fixes broken menus so you can repeat the check.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.